Hi everyone, it's Prabjeet Trehan and today I'm gonna be showing you how to achieve this eye look on Haldi occasion. Or according to the party, you can change the color selection too. This is very simple and easy eye look. Let's do it together. First picking the brown color and applying on the crease line, henceforth blending it on the outer corner like so. As I have hooded eyes, so we'll cut the full crease line slightly up to my crease so that color should be visible when I open my eyes. Now I have picked the yellow color and tapping all over the lid area. Not blending this, it just has to be tap tap. After this, pick the dark brown color and blend the outer weak corner like so. Now taking golden shimmer in my finger and merging yellow and dark brown color together at the outer corner. Now with this Anastasia golden shimmer eyeliner, creating a thin line on the crease line. Applying black kajal on the waterline and smudging with the same brown color which we applied on the crease line. And that's how simple it is. Hope you all like this eye look. Do not forget to follow me and share with your friends. Ta-da!